Are you trying to find a reliable CNC router that won't break the bank? Don't worry, we've got you covered with a quick practical guide to the top machines on the market. Today, I'm going to be going over the best CNC router that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Genmitsu PROVerXL Pro. From the moment you unbox it, the compact package signals a hobbyist-friendly machine designed for makers seeking straightforward entry into CNC routing. This unit targets beginners, crafters, and educators who want a tangible gateway into PCBA etching, woodworking, and simple signage projects. Its packaging and included accessories reinforce a practical, beginner-friendly vibe with safety-minded documentation and clear assembly steps. The build quality blends a sturdy aluminum frame with precise welds and a rigid gantry, reducing flex during aggressive cuts. The design emphasizes user-friendly assembly with clearly labeled components, snug fittings, and accessible adjustment screws to dial in accuracy quickly. Dimensionally, it maintains a compact footprint of about 300 by 180 millimeters, paired with a modest Z-axis travel. Under the hood, GRBL control drives the X and Y with one 8-degree microstep motion, while the Z-axis uses a precise lead screw. A notable feature is the inclusive set of collets, enabling use of standard 1/8 and 1/2" bits for versatile material routing. The plug-and-play controller supports common CAM software and offers straightforward jogging, zeroing, and calibration for repeatable results. In practical tests on light woods, plywood, and acrylic, it produced clean edges and predictable depth with consistent spindle RPM settings. On denser materials like hardwoods, it showed mild chatter and slower removal rates, underscoring the need for careful clamping and slow passes. Overall, performance aligns with budget CNC expectations, delivering reliable routed results for hobbyist projects while encouraging learners to optimize feed rates. Compared to the Genmitsu PROVerXL Pro, the Genmitsu PROVerXL Pro offers a smaller footprint and easier portability at the cost of a reduced work area. The pros include sturdy aluminum frame, easy assembly, and budget-friendly entry point. The cons include small work area and limited high-speed capability. At number 4, we have the Genmitsu PROVerXL Pro. From the moment you unbox it, the Genmitsu PROVerXL Pro communicates solid craftsmanship and signals a machine ready for serious hobbyists. Targeting hobbyists and small shops, this machine is designed for compact spaces while delivering robust desktop-level capability. The unboxing and initial setup hints at a user-friendly experience for beginners while still offering depth for seasoned makers who demand reliability. The working area measures 40 by 40 centimeters, providing ample room for signs, plaques, and small furniture prototypes. The frame includes a modular wasteboard and a standardized tool holder that suits common collets, enabling easy upgrades. The machine supports e-stop integration, limit switches, and USB connectivity, enabling safe offline operation and precise, repeatable zeroing routines. The overall dimensions and compact footprint position this model well for desktop workshops without sacrificing rigidity during typical cuts. It supports a high torque spindle and offers a Z-axis with accuracy improvements through a precision lead screw and anti-backlash nuts. The spindle runs up to 10,000 RPM with a capable motor, delivering ample cutting power for soft woods and plastics. A precision lead screw on the Z-axis and anti-backlash nuts improve depth control and repeatability during engraving jobs. In practical tests, the PROVerXL Pro delivered consistent pocketing and clean edges on plywood and soft woods at moderate feeds. Maintenance and noise levels were controlled, while chip evacuation through the dust boot kept the workspace tidy during long sessions. Compared with the popular X-Carve 1000, the Genmitsu offers greater rigidity and cleaner CNC operations straight from unboxing. The pros include a robust, durable, rigid frame with precision joints, exceptionally easy assembly and setup, and broad universal accessory compatibility. The cons include a higher price for a hobbyist-oriented machine and limited upgrade options that may hinder long-term growth. At number 3, we have the FoxAlien Masuter Pro. From unboxing to first setup, the Masuter Pro signals an approachable entry point for enthusiasts without sacrificing practical capability. With a stated weight of 4 pounds, the Masuter Pro remains surprisingly portable for desks and small workshop corners. Its chassis is machined from aluminum, delivering rigidity and a premium tactile feel that supports repeatable, precise cuts. The overall footprint remains compact, designed to maximize usable work area without crowding your benchtop workspace. The working area roughly spans 12 by 9 inches, balancing portability with enough room for small projects and fixtures. Spindle speed reaches up to 12,000 RPM, enabling clean engraving and faster material removal while preserving workpiece integrity. Internally, it uses NEMA 23-stepper motors and a GRBL-based controller, delivering reliable performance with approachable firmware. It includes a belt drive for quiet operation, adjustable Z-probe, and a soft-stop homing routine that reduces waste and collision risk. In practical cuts, it maintained consistent depth across faces with light chatter limited to higher feed rates, indicating good rigidity for its class. During acrylic and soft woods tests, the machine held tolerances within 0.2 millimeters, producing clean edges with minimal burrs. Compared to the X-Carve, the FoxAlien Masuter Pro offers a friendlier ecosystem and better bundled accessories, yet has a smaller cutting area. The pros include strong build, compact footprint, and good value. The cons include high price and limited third-party support. At number 2, we have the Genmitsu PROVerXL 2x2, a compact CNC powerhouse blending accessibility with professional-grade capability for ambitious hobbyists. From the moment you unpack it, the emphasis on accessible setup, stable operation, and straightforward software integration stands out. Its target audience ranges from serious hobbyists to small shops seeking reliable repeatability, consistent results, and room to grow without frequent upgrades. The build quality centers on a rigid, precision-ground aluminum frame and a well-ordered component layout that minimizes flex under heavy cutting. The design emphasizes ease of maintenance with accessible fasteners, a modular gantry, and clearly labeled wiring harnesses to reduce downtime during upgrades. Dimensions are generous for a desktop-class machine, yet compact enough to fit on a sturdy bench or small shop floor. A standout feature is the included servo-controlled belt drive system that delivers precise, smooth motion with minimal backlash during rapid passes. The machine ships with a robust controller and a user-friendly interface, easing toolpath setup and real-time monitoring during runs. Another standout detail is the compatibility with a broad range of spindle options and drilling accessories, expanding capabilities beyond basic milling. In practical cutting tests, the Genmitsu PROVerXL 2x2 maintained consistent spindle RPMs through varied materials, producing clean edges with minimal chatter. Feed rates and depth controls responded predictably as programmed, enabling precise pocketing, clean chamfers, and repeatable outcomes with minimal setup variance. Noise levels were manageable with the enclosure in place, and vibrations stayed within tolerances during demanding climbs and full-depth passes. Compared to competitors like the Shopoko 4, the Genmitsu PROVerXL 2x2 offers a larger table and more robust frame for heavier projects. The pros include rigid all-metal frame, 2x2 footwork area, and modular upgrade potential for future attachments. The cons include higher price compared to entry-level kits and a steeper learning curve for newcomers who expect plug-and-play results. At number 1, we have the FoxAlien XE-Ultra A280. From the moment you unbox the FoxAlien XE-Ultra A280, its compact, precision-oriented presentation signals a pro-grade tool aimed at hobbyists and small workshops. It targets small shops, educational makerspaces, and ambitious hobbyists seeking reliable desktop routing with straightforward setup and accessible maintenance. Its price positions it as a compelling entry point for learners while offering competitive performance that reduces the temptation to upgrade prematurely. The chassis blends a sturdy aluminum frame with a reinforced gantry, resisting flex during heavy cuts and rapid moves. Its overall footprint remains compact, with a generous working area that balances rigidity and portability, enabling installation on standard benches or cabinets. Cable routing is clean and accessible, with integrated cable channels that minimize snag points, while the dust shoe design maintains visibility during operations. The controller integrates open-source firmware with a user-friendly interface, enabling quick calibration, easy firmware updates, and broad compatibility with hobbyist software. Movement uses closed-loop stepper motors with high torque drivers, delivering reliable repeatability and smooth acceleration across X, Y, and Z axes. A built-in auto tool zeroing routine simplifies setup, while limit switches protect the machine during power loss or misalignment. An offline jog mode and real-time feed preview help confirm cuts before powering the spindle, enhancing safety and user confidence. Included tooling set and modular frame make assembly straightforward, with upgrade paths for longer bits, larger bits, and optional expansions. Compared to the Aerotech Nano 7800, the FoxAlien XE-Ultra 8080 delivers quieter operation, stronger rigidity, and easier upkeep. The pros include rigid frame and vibration control, tool changes without extra setup time, and low noise operation under load. The cons include a limited work envelope for large projects and a higher price than entry-level rivals.